Is it? Do you need my dad called me yesterday and he told me
Do you know?
oh sorry. Okay. Do you need my do you Because serious, okay. Do you know my
Tuanze. Tuambie temi yako anga.
Wanakutana na waki kuja Rose rudi hivi. Huko nyuma rudi nyuma. Yeah, enjoy. Okay. Action. Action.
Cut. I can't do such a thing, sir.
Why?
You see?
Endelea, mimi nilisema why. Sasa wewe endelea tu kuongea alafu mimi nitakwambia. Okay. Umeweka pause. Why now?
I can't do such a thing.
Now, okay Mara, if you have not
Ana. Sawa, fuck.
Ndio inaona vizuri.
Nimesema Ana.
okay.
Okay, like I told you Mara. I, Agatha and Anna, we are a family. We are not just friends, sawa?
Taratibu. John. Msianze kuongea. Mpaka niwaambie.
It's a sure thing. At least we can help our parents.
Three. Action.
Mom. We should go to...
Nijibu ama?
1 2 3 action.
What do you want me to help you?
I want that to start just there.
Okay, answer. How do you want me to help you?
I want to talk to the governor.
Talk to the... Okay.
Songe karibu.
Na principal sasa. Action.
I need you to talk to the governor.
Talk to the governor. I am telling you, Amor, I cannot talk to the governor because I'm the reason that... Oh, sorry.
What?
sorry.
Tuendelee.
Sorry kwanza. Si practice Shabana na record. I'm the reason why that scholarship. Oh, I miss kitu tuendelee. Sasa. Tuende basi. Uliza tena.
Endelea tu. I need you to talk to the governor.
I cannot talk to the governor. I'm telling you, I'm the reason why that scholarship was cancelled.
tunaanza kuongea.
Mbona unaongea? Sasa mbona unajisahau naye? Wewe tuendelee na mkutano. Twende.
Hey Mara.
Hi. Amesahau.
Siku sawa, Mara.
Mara, mimi naona isisha.
Nimesema hey. Unaendelea.
Twende.
Si like unisalimie tu like yani unaonekana like umekuwa surprise to see me. Eh.
2 3 action. Action.
Ngoja kwanza Shaban.
Kwani ni nani?
3 action.
Hey Linda, how are you? I'm good. You are good. And how is he?
Hapo ndio tulikuwa tunaondoka.
3 action.
Hey Linda, how are you?
I'm good.
And how is he?
No improvements.
3, action.
Linda,
Yes.
you really love me, but I'm just one random.
One,
One of the random guys.
one,
Random hookups.
1, 2, 3, action.
Linda,
Aol.
Acha nipige saluti kama 3. Wala msho ile majini yangu yani. Mara.
Yes, sir. Is it okay?
There we go.
Action.
Is this you?
Yes, Mr. Anthony.
Yeah.
Yes.
It has been 4 months that I've never seen you.
Yeah,
How are
it's
you
been
doing?
fun. I'm good. Sir, yes. Tell me.
Mara.
Cut conversation.
1, 2, 3, action.
I really want to thank you so much, guys. I appreciate for everything you have done for me ever since I joined this campus. May God bless you all. I really, really appreciate. Thank you, Abel, Agatha.